Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty's Kitchen. My name is Modipe Jacob. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make vanilla sponge cake, and it's a recipe I've wanted to teach you forever. I'm super excited to be able to show you the tips and tricks of this recipe. These are the tips and tricks that will give you a very moist, beautiful vanilla spongy cake. Your flour has to be measured out properly. You have your milk, you have your butter, you have your vanilla. It has to be a very good vanilla flavor. You have your sugar and you have eggs. Everything has to be at room temperature for you to get the best and moist spongy vanilla cake. And most importantly, you need your baking pan. I always line my baking pan. You can see it's lined up with parchment paper. So let's get started. Mix your sugar and butter in your mixing bowl and whip. After mixing, you add your eggs gradually and whip. Point, we've added all our dry ingredients together, and this is what it turned out. At this stage, I'm done with all the mixing, and I'm just going to pour the batter in my cake pan. I'm going to fill it till half. Please like and subscribe to our channel. All ingredients will be in the description box below. Thank you.